Hello? Yes, Supervisor Mohan speaking. Yes, sir. My colleague had spoken about you. Yes, sir. We can do the complete wiring of your house. No, sir. Don't worry. We have skilled electricians to do the job. I assure you. All right, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, fine. Bye bye. Raju, we have bagged a big contract. You know what? We have to wire the full house. Okay? Get your tools ready. Fine? Friends, wiring of a house has to be done in various stages. But I don't want to just jump into action. Before that, I want to plan the various activities. Come join me and Raju in this session. After completing this session, you will be able to plan the wiring of a house. This is the plan of the house. Let's see it. The house has a living room, two bedrooms, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a corridor. Let me explain how I will go about doing the wiring for this house. First, we will go do the wiring for the input supply board, which means connecting the fuse box, the energy meter, and the isolator cutoff through the wires. The next step is to wire connect the isolator cutout to the distribution box, and then to the internal wiring of the distribution box. This means connecting the main circuit breaker to the isolator switches of each phase. Next, we have to pull out the wires from the distribution box to each room in the house. Once this is done, we will do the internal wiring of the rooms, which means we will add switchboards, plug points. All this is nothing but wiring of the switchboard and the junction box. Finally, we will install basic appliances such as ceiling fans and tube lights. So friends, this is our master block diagram, the plan for wiring our house. Let's get started. Raju, please take the required tools before we leave. Okay? Nose plier, cutter, wire stripper, an important tool needed all the time to strip wire ends. Screwdriver, multimeter, hammer, screws and nails of various sizes, drilling machine and drill bits, PVC tape, hacksaw blade, also important for cutting boards and many other things. Wiring cables, we will require a lot of these, of course. Hope you remember what each color indicates. Measuring tape, a pencil for marking, and a ladder. Yes, to climb up and fix the fan and the tube light.
There, that's the checklist of tools we will need.
Take a look at the personal protective equipment that Raju will need while at work. Protective gloves, rubber shoes, protective eyewear or eyeglasses. So that's the checklist for your personal protective equipment, your safety gear. Okay friends, Raju and I are ready to leave for the site. See you there. Meanwhile, Here's a quick recap of the entire wiring plan that we will be doing. Take a look at it.